Hello, let's have a look at our 3D design software today that we use. Here you can see we have a 3D model of the foot, and we're going to place a generic device on the foot here. You can see that it doesn't fit very well because of course it's generic, and we're going to make this custom for this very cavous foot. First off, we are going to resize it a little bit. It seems to be a little long, so we're just going to shorten it up a tad, and then we're going to pull it to match the foot exactly. So we now have a truly custom device that matches the foot exactly. Of course, from here we have to do some heel pad expansion and decrease the midfoot to allow for some midfoot excursion during gait. As we go forward here, we're going to just widen the heel cup, and you'll have us look here and see that there is some space in through the heel cup here now for fat pad expansion. Now we'll drop the midfoot and allow for a little bit of excursion. You can see there's a little space in through there to allow for the midfoot excursion. Sort out the forefoot, balance the forefoot to neutral, so we have good purchase on the ground, so the device is nice and stable. It gives us a pretty good looking device. We have to sort out the medial lateral borders here so that it doesn't cut into the orthotic. You can see that the borders are now as they should be, allowing for good contact on the foot. And voila, there we have a pretty good looking device. A couple things to sort out. The heel cup, it needs to be straightened out a little bit, and then the lateral border needs to be fixed up, and a little bit more space in through the calcaneal inclination angle there. You can see there's some nice space in through there so it doesn't create too much pressure. Thickening the device up, we can see how it will look on the foot exactly. The software allows us to have many different views. We can have complete control over all views. We can see how the orthotic fits, which gives us the ability to design correctly and accurately. As well, we can do some cross-sectional analysis. Here we're going to do a frontal plane cross-sectional analysis, which allows us to look at the transverse arch and how the orthotic device actually contours and matches the transverse arch. Here you can see it really matches it quite well, giving good contact, good support, and good control in through the heel cup. You can see there's good space for fat pad expansion. With this view, you can see that the device fits very well through that plane. As well, we can look at it and see the device on its own. You can see the transverse arch through there, the metatarsal raise, which is natural and anatomical, fitting the foot exactly. You can see the device is well balanced, forefoot and rear foot. As well, we can look at the sagittal plane view here, and you can see that it matches the lateral and longitudinal arches exactly. As well, I just want to put in that we can add rear foot extrinsic posting and forefoot extrinsic posting. This is just a simple model to demonstrate how well that the device can fit the foot. So you can see that with our great design technicians and the software that we use, we can design exact fitting, full contact devices that provide the control and comfort to give you the outcomes you are looking for. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you and have a great day.